Kinks? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a Nappy-fulery video. Today we are going to fool around with doing the the lace wig videos. We be seeing the celebrity secrets to melting the lace. Well, we're going to see just how melted I got this sucker. Okay, NappyFu checking in. Lego. All right, King. So I'm going to use the curly textured wig from Hergivenhair. It is 16 inches full lace. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. Let's open this box and see what all did they send me. Okay. All right. So we have a box. This box is very much reusable. I reuse most of these boxes they be sending me. I'm just saying storage ideas. Okay. Also get a quick little how-to book, if you will. Gives you more information about the company and the people that's involved, as well as professional hairstylists they work with. They give you tons of hair care tips you can do at home. Okay. You also get this handy dandy bag. Quick little tip. Don't throw these bags away that it comes with. You can easily use this to store your units again. Okay? I'm just saying. They send you extra headband and extra combs and clips, if you just need the extra. Another tip, do not throw that net away either. It can store your units. That's all I'm saying. All right, here's the unit, y'all. Curly, frizzy ends, just like we used to. Okay, with our natural hair. Pre-style with the middle part. Of course, you can part in other areas. Remember, it is full lace, okay? Freedom to part is there. You have these different ways to secure it to your head. You have the headband, the comb, and the straps in the back. Okay, the straps in the back with the back. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know why I keep trying to freestyle. All right, that lace is looking quite transparent in my opinion. It is supposed to be 6 inches of parting space, so I'm just going to do a little quick measurement. Put Hergivenhair to the test, and they passed. Okay, all right. So that look at that. That scalp is already looking quite real. Okay, look at that quote unquote scalp. Anyway, like usual, when you get a unit, no matter how many times they say they washed it, always wash it yourself, regardless. All right, let's prepare to wear. First, we got to cleanse. I'm going to use the Aussie Moist Rinse Out Conditioner, aka Deep Conditioner. I say that because the ingredients are literally the same. Check it out when you're in the store next time. I usually wash my units 1 to 2 times. If after the first time I see a lot of stuff come out, then I'll wash it a second time. If not, we good to go. So that's how much hair came out after I washed it. So now I'm going to give it a really good rinse and do a little finger combing, a little finger detangling. All right, so after I did it to my satisfaction, gave it a one final run through. This is how much hair came out from the rinse itself. So that's from washing, that's from just rinsing, and that's not too bad. What else is not too bad is that you're still watching this video. So you might as well go ahead and join the crew, join the team, Team Kinks. Click that subscription button and the bell next to it so you're notified the next time I'm all up on your screen. Now we're at my attempt at customizing this front, aka YouTube Made Me Do It, aka Nappy-fulery. Okay, so here are all the tools I'm going to need. Most importantly, the tweezers. I see a lot of people use this type of tweezers, okay, but I also saw some use the very skinny tweezer. So I'm going to start off with the silver one and just see where it goes. As you can see, Hergivenhair already tweezed for me. Thank you, but I went and did a little bit more. I could have stopped here. I could have left it alone, but sometimes you just got to be extra rough. Now, I always see them wet the hair first. Sometimes they do it after they wash the hair, but I wasn't able to do it. I had to wait the next day. So I parted out the sections that's already tweezed, and I'm just going to tweeze behind that, okay? Now, I was told to go every other, make sure you put some spacing. Not even 5 seconds in, yo, and I'm already messed up. Do y'all see it? I think I might have went too fast. I don't know. Maybe I'm too heavy-handed. Okay, do you see what I messed up now? You don't? Do you see it now? Bald spot. Luckily, the hair covers it up. I'm like, dang, how I already pluck way too much. Anywho, I was being more mindful and I definitely use a lighter hand going forward. So I'm just kind of skipping every other spot. One thing I always heard consistently out of the 10 videos I watched, I probably watched more than 10, you don't want to stay in the same section. You want to have sections, but don't pluck too much in one area. So now I'm just kind of moving the hair in different directions, making sure, I didn't overpluck in some areas. And I do see some places I might have still had a heavy hand in. So now I'm just going to go ahead and part out the baby hair. You're going to see me cut this baby hair quite long and thick because I'm not sure if I'm even going to use baby hair. I normally don't do any of this for any of my units. Like, I never customize anything. For the most part, I don't. I'll just, hey, how it comes, okay, throw it on my head. That's how I do it. Like, but I always said I want to try some of these, lay the wig, lay the lace, melt it to your scalp type of vibes, okay? All right, one side done. It looks a little scattered, a little I might have plucked too much in some areas. I might not have moved around like I was supposed to. I don't know. It looks a little spacey. Is it supposed to look like that? Because it's not looking like the celebrity peoples. All right, let's try the other side. Maybe we have better luck. All right, so this is before my hands touched it. They did a pretty good job pre-plucking it. I mean, I really could have just left it like this, but it wouldn't be me if I didn't do it extra. Okay. So this time you're gonna see me go in different directions. I go forward. I stand in front of it. My hand is being moved in different ways, so I make sure I'm not overdoing anything. And I think I'm doing a bit better on this side, y'all. I'm not seeing too much. I'm not seeing the bald spot. That's for one. Hallelujah. And I'm parting more. I'm being a lot, definitely a lot, not as heavy-handed. And I'm checking, making sure I'm checking it twice. I'm checking it twice, doing it not. Wait, that's not the words. You better watch. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me stop. All right, so that is the other side, and I think it's a bit better. Tad bit. All right, so now I'm doing a little in and out thing to get the baby hairs out. And again, I'm going to cut it long because I'm not too sure about the baby hair lives. I don't really use it. So we'll see. All right, so one side I did use water. The other side, I didn't use any water, which is this side. And I like this side a lot better. So I think for me, doing it on dry hair might be better for me. That's the side I use water on. It's not too bad, but it's not like the other side. I like the other side. Just like eyebrows, right? One is your favorite, other one is just not. All right, the show must go on. Now, something else I see a lot of the good ones do is not have any black dots. Normally, they will bleach these knots, but God is so good that I came across one video like that showed me how to cover up these black knots without having used bleach. Guess what I'm going to use? Sun tanning spray. Yep, yep, yep. I actually see Miss Naturally Mary use this a lot, okay? So, must be something to it. I'm going to spray it on my brush and work it in. I'm also going to do a combination of spraying it directly to the lace. I'm just trying to figure out what method works best for me. So that's why you kind of see me do both methods. And yes, I saw other people do this as well. So I said, let me just try both. Okay. When you choose not to bleach the knots on your units, you do add to the longevity of your unit. So keep that in mind. So this sun tanning idea, I was just like, yo, I'm here for it. Okay. So I'm working in this sun tanning spray. I use the dark glow one. That's the one that's recommended to be used for my complexion. If you're lighter than me, they do have a lighter color you can use as well. Now, at this point in time, it's probably when I went too far. I think for me, the method that's best is to spray it onto my makeup brush and then work it in. Because spraying it directly like that gave me this. Okay, this cheetah print. I don't know what's going on with it. You know what I'm saying? But luckily, it does come out with towel and water, so I wasn't worried about it. I let this dry overnight so I can rest my mind because it is melting time. Okay, let's just see. Now, before we do that, let me go ahead and scratch my scalp real quick. That hair dirty. Okay, I'm doing this the day before my wash day. Don't worry, I'm going to take care of her tomorrow. While I'm itching, I might as well give myself a little scalp massage, y'all. So, melting the lace to your skin. Basically, you want the wig to look like it's coming out your scalp. That's the goal. I never really cared for any of that. I usually, like I said, throw the wig on. Cool. It lays laying flat. Cool. Let's go. But we're going to try some things. Now, something else that the professionals, the really good ones at this wig life does is the balding cap method. They put on their cap, pull it all the way down, put some glue or some spray. Okay, first of all, it's hurting my eyes. Okay, put some glue or some spray in that area. Make sure it's down tacky. Then they take scissors and cut it off and it's bald cap. I ain't got time. So all I'm going to do is just make sure this cap, the thick part of it, is not exposed. I don't want to do the bald cap method because I feel like it's a waste of my cap. Okay, I'm just saying. All right, so the stars and melting the lace is how you bolt it down or bond it down. Got to be glue spray, got to be glue gel. That's what I see a lot of the wig connoisseurs, they really good at it, people do. Okay, they also use boat hold, but I don't have that, so we're going to move on from that. Here we go. I love that this unit already has the elastic bands there. Less work for me. All right, first application, I'm looking all Anywho, all right, so I'm going to get all of my hair pinned back and I'm just going to kind of look at it. They say to measure it. First of all, that's already looking kind of good. Shout out to that tanning spray, okay? I'm just saying. They said to measure it, make sure you have your wig sit on your hairline where you want it to sit. Now, to cut it, a lot of them use razor. I normally use scissors, okay? But I've seen too many use the razor. So I'm going to try this life. All right, so I'm going to line it up again, make sure it's sitting right where I want it to be, and we're going to go ahead and get to part. I'm going to start at the ear tabs. So far, so good. Okay, it's looking okay, it's sitting pretty fleshed. I'm liking it. All right, let's keep the same energy to the other side. Oh, she's struggling. Whoa. I took some hair off with that too, but it's okay. We got it in the end. We got it in the end. Now we're going to take care of that line right there. Yep, the ones that do it really well will never have that line. Now the foundation option is there. But I think what works best for me is just to pull that sucker on back and expose my natural line. And yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. That continuous flow. Continuous. So I'm just going to brush my hair back because I want to get ready to go ahead and secure it down. I'm going to do one more check. Make sure the tabs are right. Everything is sitting pretty. And it is. So now we're going to roll this back and I'm going to apply the gel and then I'm going to put on the spray. I'm trying to be as precise and as neat as I can so that it's less cleanup for me to do later on. But for the most part, you know, when I watch these videos of those who do it really, really well, they are also very neat with it. And using the brush does make this easier. Sometimes, most times I use my finger, but I've come to learn that it's just best to use a brush, something that you know, won't transfer any oil. Something else people do is use alcohol to clean up first, but I have a fresh face, so I didn't use any alcohol. All right, so here we go, spraying on the Got to Be Glue spray. It goes everywhere. And after this, I'm going to use my blow dryer to go ahead and get it dry. It's supposed to be dry to where it is tacky. Let's check. I think we are good. All right, we're good. Tacky. All right, so now I'm going to pull it forward. And honestly, leaving the lace on to do all this, man, it makes a difference. It makes it easier for you to go ahead and position your wig, your unit. Normally, I would have cut the lace off already, like from out the box. You feel me? So this method, yeah, at least for the first time of you applying it, man, yeah, it makes a lot of difference. It's like you can use the lace that's on there as an anchor to position it. So as you can see, I'm using a rat tail comb to make sure everything is in place. I'm not using my fingers. I normally will use my fingers, so I've come to learn it's not a good method. So just giving it one good blow dry because remember, I still have not cut the actual lace and we are going to use the razor to do that. Here we go. Now it's time to cut that lace. Okay, I'm a little nervous. Again, I normally use scissors. But everybody say use the razor because the razor it gives the lace a more realistic look. You want that jaggedy raggedy type of look so that it looks like it blends to your skin. I'm like, okay, all right, cool beans, no problem. You can so the razor definitely gives you a very ragged look, and I don't know how I'm supposed to feel, but let's go ahead and just finish off the rest. All the lace has been removed. I'm going to use some more spray to tack down any areas that might have lifted. All right, so after I have that on there, I'm going to grab my scarf and tie it on down. I'm going to allow the headband to be in there for maybe like 10 minutes or so, making sure it's secure, okay? Ooh, she already looking cute. So 10 minutes turn to 30 minutes later. Yeah, I mean, you know, things happen. All right, moment of truth. I'm taking it off. I'm nervous. In my head, I'm screaming. And, oh, oh. She I'm like, what? Hold on. All right. So I said, let me just put my foundation on real quick. So I see some white parts. Let me do the foundation part and let me just, you know, give a full reaction when it's officially done. Okay. So I actually grabbed the beautiful bronze concealer from LA Girl to blend the white parts, the pale parts of the lace into my skin more. All right. So after I was able to be done with that, that's when I said, all right, let me really look at this now. And wow, my lace, my units never. Okay, like him. So now I'm ready to style it, and I really was gonna wear it a high volume just like this, like the curls be popping. But y'all, this is my first time melting the lace. I believe it really is melted, so I want to try an updo. I started with space buns, and I felt like you never been to space, so what you doing, girl? Took that down, and I thought to myself, what else can I do? And I thought about another updo that I love seeing on women that have short hair. Since this is a short hair unit, I said, let me go ahead and try it. It's simple, and I think it will look cute. 2 flat twists going back into an updo bun. Let's see. And you know what, Team Kinks? By golly, I think we got it. Okay, she cute. Yippity. All right, so I threw on some face, some lipstick, and here we are. Oh, hey, girl. Let me give some of these infamous YouTube poses. Look down, look up, look off like somebody's there, wave hello, and look away. Don't mind me, y'all. So yes, this unit is beautiful, y'all. And it was easy for me to work with, which I really like because of what I was trying to do today. So I definitely want to shout out Hergivenhair again for these good looking kinks and curls all up on my skin. In fact, can I say melting out of my skin? Is that a melt? I don't know. Like, y'all let me know. You know what I'm saying? You might know more than me. You know what I'm saying? I think I can officially say, what lace?
Yo, shocked. Shocked and amazed. Okay.
What Nappy-fulery video have I ever done in which I actually accomplished it? I think this might be the one. I wanted it to look like it melt out my skin, and I think we have it. And now we have come to today's nap chat question. Melting the lace does take some time though. Like this took longer than my normal wig unit whatever routine. I'm just saying. So I want to know from y'all, do you melt the lace into your skin? Are you a melt lacing type of natural? What are your tips, your tricks? Or if you're not any of that but you want to try it, did today's video help you? Let me know in the comment box below. Trust me, your response would definitely help another natural out. Thank you in advance. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. And I will catch y'all on the next one. I'm about to go out and about and show off this cute face and this melted lace. Oh, all right, y'all. So till next Sunday, please remember, in order to have a healthy mind, body, soul, everything, all of that, you got to do healthy things. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you